Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Eraswap Wallet is a decentralized wallet that connects you with the complete Eraswap ecosystem and its decentralized utilities. Eraswap Wallet supports multiple digital assets and gives total control to users. Benefits of Eraswap Wallet: peer-to-peer transactions, cryptocurrency security standard, CCSS private keys stored only with you to ensure maximum security, single sign-on to Eraswap ecosystem. Eraswap Decentralized Ecosystem is integrated with wallet, cold storage, online and offline hierarchical deterministic wallet, HD wallet, total control in your hands. Hold ES tokens securely with you. Fast charge-free blockchain transactions. No unnecessary transaction fees. Do transaction globally without middlemen interferences. And you can access and store Eraswap native tokens and ERC20 tokens using hardware wallet with MetaMask, but you won't be able to access Time Ally staking from hardware wallet. How to create Eraswap Life Wallet. Step 1. Visit www.eraswap.life. Step 2. Click on the Create Wallet button on top right corner. Step 3. Read carefully what is Eraswap Life Wallet. Step 4. Click on Proceed button. Step 5. Copy your mnemonics phrase at a very safe place via clicking on Copy Mnemonics button. Here you can choose for 12 or 24 word for your mnemonics phrase before copying it. Step 6. Then paste that copied mnemonics phrase somewhere in safe file and you can save it. Step 7. Click on I wrote down my mnemonic phrase button. Step 8. Verify your mnemonics phrase via entering correct words from the mnemonics phrase you have saved. Step 9. Once mnemonic is entered and verified, click on Submit Mnemonic button. Step 10. Enter your new wallet password. Step 11. Click on Generate Wallet. Step 12. One file will get downloaded. This is your key store file. Save it at the secure place. Now that your wallet is created, you can log in here via clicking on Load Wallet button using your mnemonic phrase or key store file plus password. And access multiple decentralized utility platform of Eraswap Life ecosystem with a single sign-on. How to load Eraswap Life Wallet. Step 1. Click on the Load Wallet button. Step 2. Choose any option from Key Store File or Access through Mnemonic or Private Key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3. If accessing through Key Store File, then choose the correct Key Store File. Enter the password. Click on the Unlock Wallet Now button. If accessing through Private Key, then enter your private key. Note that for login via private key option, please add 0x at the beginning of your private key, in case if your current private key is not carrying 0x in the beginning. Click on the Unlock Wallet Now button. If accessing the mnemonics, then enter your mnemonics in the correct sequence. Click on the Unlock Wallet Now button. Step 4. Now you have successfully loaded your Eraswap wallet. Once wallet is loaded, you can scroll down to see more features. You can also see Eraswap decentralized platforms, which you can access through this single wallet. Now that you have Eraswap wallet, store Eraswap utility tokens securely and have total control over your digital assets.